Hello, this is Jerry with Alpha Association Management. Wanted to take a few minutes today and go through how to make a reservation request. So once you are logged into your portal, right here on your home screen, you want to go down here to where you see new reservation, and we want to go ahead and click on that. Then we want to go right here to reservation request and click that. And then we want to fill in these two drop downs. So then it will pull up the calendar. So depending on the day that you want to rent, you could go right here and choose that day and see what the availability is. So let's go out a little bit. Let's just say you want to rent May 1st. So now you can see everything in that day is available. If there was anything unavailable, it would show up like this. It would either have a tentative reservation or it would be all green and it would say reserved. So let's go ahead and go back to like May 1st. We see that that's all available. So then we scroll down here and we'll go ahead and choose the event date. Go to mark May 1st. Choose our start time. Choose our end time. And then we can put in the event name. And any event details that you want. Right here, this is where you want to attach your application. So I'm just going to select that. I'm going to go and grab my application and I'm going to upload that. Then you can see that your application's uploaded here. And then we want to go ahead and just click on the submit button. So it says that it was successful. So now we can go back to your dashboard. And if we look right here, we can see that it was submitted. It shows that it's tentative. And once we approve it, or deny it, or whatever the case is, it will update here and it will tell you what that next step is. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out and we will be glad to help you. Have a great day.